What's the deal? What's the deal? This your boy 18 Willing with another breaking news. Breaking news. I told y'all. I told y'all. Guess what? Every time I tell y'all something, it come right to pass, man. We got Tesla. Yes, they are planning for a Megacharger at I-10 Flying J in San Antonio, Texas. I told y'all. I told y'all. Who was the first one to tell y'all? We had a video 3 years ago that go viral. It went viral. It goes viral. Everybody telling me I'm crazy, you this, you that. And guess what? It's true. That's why I tell y'all, man, y'all need to go back to some of this old content that I have, man. And people don't really, they ain't really believing what I got going on. It's in my head is like we manifest these things because we kind of know where the trajectory of trucking is going, man. Just imagine yourself a fleet owner. You got all of these trucks that run on fuel, and you could turn them in and actually use an ECMV. That's an electric commercial vehicle. And guess what? You can lessen your overhead. This is what they're doing, man. This is the new thing that's going on, man. You can lessen your overhead. Just think about that. This is what we're doing. We in 2027. We in 2027. You got trucks, you're an owner operator, you having fun now, you back in it, you smiling again. All because of what? Exactly. ECMVs. Let's read some. Let's read some. Let's read some. So, um, as of September 2025, Tesla has submitted a pre-permit filing for the construction of the first electric semi-truck megacharger in San Antonio, Texas. This is big because it's not only telling you what they're doing, it's showing you that they have a plan already in motion for it. So for all my owner operators out there, you might want to go ahead and start preparing yourself to sell some of these trucks, man, because it's already in the making. I told y'all when I was delivering to Frito Lay out in Texas, I saw they already running Tesla trucks already. They got the Frito wrap around the Tesla. It look very cool. The drivers are they already driving those things, man. And they look like very sleek, very sleek. Shout out to Tesla and Elon Musk. If you don't love him, man, you cannot hate this man for what he's doing. He's changing everything, man. He's changing the way that we travel. He's changing the way that we think with the Neuralink. Let's get back to this though. According to Drive Tesla Canada, the project plans for 8 dedicated electric semi-truck charging stalls at the Flying J at North Foster Road off of I-10 on the east side of San Antonio, Texas. I'm proud. Like I'm really happy to see where we going with this whole technology thing, man. It says that the up to this point, the mega chargers for electric semi trucks have only been installed at private facilities such as Tesla factories and PepsiCo. I promise y'all, and y'all know that Frito Lay and PepsiCo is y'all already know what's going on. I think they all are part of like one thing, and this is gonna further trucking. Everybody talk about the rates. They probably gonna stay where they at, but guess what? If you get you an EV and you running your own authority, it's gonna look so cool. Just imagine you calling a broker and you trying to get the load, and they like, okay, what's your VIN number? You tell them the Tesla VIN number. Oh, for sure, they're gonna want to work with you. They also going to negotiate a lower rate. We not doing that. Nope. Mm-mm. Not at all. Especially now with all of this stuff going on in trucking. We pulling up clean. You got the Tesla, and everybody else worried about the English language proficiency and illegal immigrants running trucking. Nope, we ain't worried about that. We pulling up clean in the Tesla trucks. That's just how the game gonna go, man. So it says Tesla has previously released plans for a mega charger network within 46 locations across California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and Georgia. 6 different states, and they all scattered. They all scattered. So guess what? Tesla's gonna be running this thing in a minute, man. Y'all gonna see, just like those cars and those cyber trucks. Y'all can deny them all y'all want to in the comments down below, but we all know, man, when it comes to EVs, you save way more money. Y'all know fuel is damn near one of the largest, if the largest fixed costs, not fixed costs, I'm sorry, variable costs that we have as truck drivers. Again, fuel is the highest variable cost that all owner operators and all mega carriers have in this trucking industry. And you telling me that it all can be reversed and put in the overhead column, then you could pay yourself a little bit more. Trucking is about to get fun, man, with these EVs. Y'all have to open up your minds and stop thinking inside of the box and start thinking outside of the box. And that's just what it is, man. This is going to be a very fun thing to see. And it says the last sentence, it says these plans reportedly call for the network to be completed by 2027. So within the next 2 years, we are about to see the trucking industry just change, man. We've been seeing it from 2020 all the way up until now with the high rates, the high fuel and the low rates. We about to see, man. It's gonna be real fun, man. I cannot wait. So this your boy 18 Willing, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these EVs entering the trucking industry. Let me know down below in the comments how you feel. Y'all feel like it's gonna be a fluke? Do y'all feel like it's gonna be kind of confusing? Let me know. Y'all see how I feel. So if you like this episode, it's more, just go down below, is in the description. You can go into the breaking news section or segment. Y'all know we have breaking news that's not only informative, but it's also informative, if that makes any sense. This your boy 18 Willing, man. I love y'all, and we out here with breaking news.